Teaching vocabulary to English language learners at level 1, entering involves using simple, engaging, and effective strategies that help them understand and remember new words. Here are some strategies specifically tailored for this level. Visual aids enhance understanding, support learning, and improve retention. Pictures and flashcards use images, flashcards, and realia, real objects, to visually represent new vocabulary words. This helps learners associate words with images. For example, show a picture of a cat when teaching the word cat. Repetition and practice. Repetition builds mastery. Practice enhances skills, and consistency is key when teaching vocabulary to English language learners at level 1, entering. Repetition. Repeat new words frequently in different contexts. Repetition helps reinforce memory. For example, use the word apple in different sentences. This is an apple. I like apples. The apple is red. Another method is total physical response, TPR. It is an effective teaching method that promotes interactive learning. TPR activities incorporate physical actions to teach vocabulary. This method helps learners remember words through movement. For example, when teaching the word jump, demonstrate jumping and have students jump as they say the word. Labeling helps students make connections between a word and a picture that represents it. Classroom labels. Label objects in the classroom with their English names. This constant visual reminder helps reinforce vocabulary. Songs and rhymes. Use simple songs, rhymes, and chants that include new vocabulary. The rhythm and melody make words easier to remember. For example, use the head, shoulders, knees, and toes song to teach body parts. Interactive word wall. Create a word wall in the classroom where new vocabulary is added regularly. Encourage learners to interact with the word wall. Example, add pictures and words to the wall and have students point to the words as they say them. Contextual learning applies knowledge to real-world scenarios, bridges theory and practice, as well as enhances understanding. Contextual sentences use new vocabulary in meaningful and simple sentences. This helps learners understand how words are used in context. For example, when teaching the word ball, use it in a sentence like, "The ball is blue." Interactive games play vocabulary games like matching words to pictures, bingo, or memory games. These make learning fun and engaging. For example, play a matching game where students match pictures of animals to their names. Simple stories. Read simple, illustrated stories that include the new vocabulary. Discuss the story and the new words. Pair and group work. Encourage learners to use new vocabulary in pair or group activities. Interaction helps reinforce learning. For example, have students work in pairs to ask and answer simple questions using new words, like, "What is this?" "This is a pencil." Vocabulary journals encourage learners to keep personal vocabulary journals where they can draw pictures and write new words. For example, have students draw a picture of an apple and write the word apple next to it in their journals. By using these vocabulary learning strategies, learners at language proficiency level 1 entering can effectively learn and retain new words in an engaging and supportive environment.